children, Assalamu alaikum and good morning one and all. See children, our all topics are over. What shall we do? Yes, before going to the next class, we want to just revise once again. Okay? From the first topic onwards. This term 2 book, okay? Yes. See the first topic of GK, do you remember that? What is it? Yes, first in a society, just a picture talk, no? The next one, places of services. What is places of services? Sometimes we need some help, no? There are some places, they help us, okay? I'm going to just bring that page on the screen. See children, what is the first one? Yes, of course, that is hospital. Hospital, okay, hospital giving treatment whenever we are sick, right? Whenever we are sick, we go to hospital, and who will be there in the hospital? Doctor, nurse, right? Yes, we will get treatment from there. See children, see the next one, police station. Who will be there in the police station? Yes, we all know that, police, right? Okay, they maintain law and order in our country. Okay, see the next one, children, the next one is village office. Okay, who will be there in village office? You know, village officer. Yes, village officer. They collect different taxes and issuing certificates, different certificates like income, community certificate, like that. Okay, the next one is post office. Who will be there in the post office? Postman, postmaster, and we are going to the post office for buying what? Stamps, envelopes, postcards. Okay, and we can see post box there. What is the color of post box? Red. We put letters in the post box, right? The next one is bank. What is it? Bank. Bank is a safe place to keep our money. Okay, to deposit our money, and we can take out money whenever we need. Okay, bank, we can deposit and withdraw money from the bank. It's a safe place. Okay, the last one is fire station. Who will be there in the fire station? Fireman. Fireman will be there, and we can see fire engine also there. See children, if there is any fire or any other incidents in our society, in our surroundings, they will rescue us. See children, we revised places of services. In these places of services, there are some persons who serve us whenever we need. Shall I bring all together on the board page by page, okay? You just look it. See children, who is the first one? Doctor. Yes, we can see doctor in the hospital, right? Doctor help us whenever we are sick. Doctor treat patients. Shall I do the next one? Policeman. Okay, we can see policeman in the police station. Okay, they maintain, who maintain law and order in our country, and also they guard our neighborhood, keep and safe. See the next one, postman. Postman is in the post office. Okay, what is the duty of postman? Yes, postman brings us letters and parcels. See children, who is that? Station master. Where we can see station master? Yes, we can see station master in the railway station. Okay. Who is the next one? Village officer. Village officer we can see in the village office, who collect different taxes and issuing different certificates for us. Okay, the last one, not last one, this page last one, nurse. Nurse also works in the hospital, who looks after sick people, and nurses give food, medicine at the right time, and nurses assist the doctor. On the next page, yes, who is that? Yes, who makes furniture for us with wood? Yes, that is carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture with wood. And the next one is farmer. Who is farmer? Yes, farmer grows crops. Farmer grows vegetable, fruits, and he works in the field. Okay. And who is that? He is driving bus, no, driving vehicles. Those who driving vehicles we call driver. Okay. See the next one. Who stitches clothes? Who stitches clothes for us? Of course, that is tailor. Tailor stitch our clothes. And the next one is, who is that sitting and mending our shoes, chappals? Yes, that is cobbler. Cobbler makes shoes or repair shoes or chappals. Okay. The last one is that man is selling vegetable, fruits in the roadside, no? We call in one name, that is vendor. Vendor selling vegetable or fruits in roadside. Okay, now I am going to bring one workbook page on the screen. Look at there. There are some tools used by this person. Can you identify that? First one is doctor. Doctor used one thing here, no? Look and identify. Yes, stethoscope is there. Doctor used stethoscope. And the next one, this is teacher. We all know that teacher use what in the school? Teacher use for writing what? Yes, board and chalk. The next one is tailor. For stitching clothes, tailor need stitching machine. Yeah, the first one is stitching machine. And the next one, farmer. Farmer work in the field, no? So he need tractor. Tractor among these pictures. Okay. The last one is cobbler. Cobbler repair shoes, and see here shoes is there. Children, you need not to by heart all these words, but you just want to identify this. Okay. Next, there is a rhyme in your textbook. Can I bring on the screen? See children, listen the rhyme. Okay. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Off to the engine, ho ho ho. Using the big pipe, so. When the fire's out, home they go. Back to bed, all in a row. Children, enjoy it? Okay, there is one more topic we want to revise today. Okay, that is public places. We know there are so many public places in our textbook, some of public places which can be used by everyone. Okay, shall we take one by one? I want to take all that page on the screen. See children, the first public place is bus stand. Bus stand. We need not to. I need not to tell anything more. We can see bus stand. So many buses, right? For different routes, we can see different buses. Okay, which is our nearest bus stand? Kondoti bus stand. Okay, the next one is railway station. In the bus stand, we can see buses. In the railway station, what we can see? Train. Okay. And we know the longest vehicle is train, and nearest railway station is Farouk. For a long journey, we depend this train, right? Yes. The next one is park. Yes, park is for enjoyment. We will go to park. Which is our nearest park? Yes, Kottakunna is our nearest park. Children love this park very much, no? They can play, and play items will be there, and many bushes, trees, and many things we can see in the park. Okay, next one we can see a busy place. Yes, that is market. Market is the busy place. And which is our nearest market? Yes, that also Kondoti. Okay. Yes, in the market we go to buy our different things for our daily needs. No, we can see buyers and sellers, and many shops will be there in the market. Okay. And now next one is airport. In the airport we can see what? Aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane. Whenever we need a quick service to reach far places, we will depend aeroplane. Okay, which is our nearest airport? Karipur. The last one is beach. Yes, beach. In the beach we can observe what? Sunset. Okay, we can observe sunset and will enjoy with waves, and children will play with sands. Okay, which is our nearest beach? Kozhikode, no? Calicut beach is our nearest beach. So children, we revised 3 topics today. There are some more topics are there. We want to revise that topics also in the next week. Okay, next weeks. Okay, we will meet on that time. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.